So I've got a degree in finance, and I joke I've never used it, but I've worked in financial services my whole life. So 7 months ago I left corporate America. It was a really tough sell for my wife because my job wasn't just an 8 to 5. It was a really good career job, working for a company that we had just taken public 18 months prior, vice president there. We have 4 kids, 2 in college. Since the moment we decided to now, it's 120% the right decision. I wake up and get really excited about, creating, getting on my Mac and trying to create something new and spark somebody's interest. Meat Church is really cool because it's a 100% family-owned business. So anytime you come here, it's someone in the family waiting on you, which means a lot to me. I've got people that I trust around me. What I do is I host these events where I teach people, usually a half-day barbecue camp where you learn about 4 different meats, sides, cocktails, different things, breakfast. We host some classes last month. We had 2 classes of 40 people, and in those classes I had people from 18 different states that came in 3 different countries. I had a guy fly all the way from northern Italy to take my class. And we get offers literally every week to go somewhere and teach, but that's been a ton of fun to just be able to take my passion and what I've learned, the good things I've done, the screw-ups I've made, and give that back to other people. The only wrong thing you can do is not get out there and try it, because you're gonna screw it up. I don't believe in luck, I believe you make your luck. So there is luck out there, but you have to work hard to get there. And I've got a saying, I say work really hard, play even harder. You have to get out and go compete, and you have to talk to people and learn what people are doing if you want to do any good. I encourage people, get outside and cook all your meals outside. Cook your breakfast outside. We have a flat top in our outdoor kitchen. I have a 6 and 8-year-old. My 8-year-old daughter stands on a Yeti and makes pancakes on the flat top. My 6-year-old's out there flipping bacon. I barbecue to bring people together to make good memories. All of my memories of the past 5 years are friends outside hanging out, and anytime we do that, I just can't stop cooking, and I guess I love to wait on people and entertain and just make people happy. Think about how much time you spend around a table or around food. Well, what's better than being in your backyard, hanging out at the pool, maybe having a drink, have your friends or kids over. Get out there, try it. Nobody gets to tell you what tastes good to you. What looks good, tastes good, smells good, that's up to you. So you get to do it how you want to do it, share it with your friends and family, and tweak it as much as you want. That's what's fun about it.